Amina, I broke Mom's vase. Oh no. What will you do? I'll just say I didn't do it. But lying is not good, Usman. It's okay, and no one saw me. Allah always sees everything.
Who broke my vase? Who broke my vase? It wasn't me, Mom. Usman?
Shh! Don't say anything.
Then who did it?
Maybe the cat did it.
That's not true. Please, just stay quiet. I'm very upset right now. I'm sorry, Mom.
Mom, I need to tell you something.
Yes, Usman?
I broke the vase. I'm sorry.
Thank you for telling the truth. I'm not happy you broke it, but I'm proud you told the truth. Always tell the truth, even if it's hard.
Yes, Mom. I understand now.